If I look back at some of the projects I've worked on in the past, now again, as people know, this has not been in the last 2 or 3 years. This is going back a little bit, so they might well have changed the terminology they used. But I'm thinking of 2 projects in particular. One where they actually just referred to their Azure migration as a DC extension. And that is exactly how they treated it. It was just like, hey, we've got a data center over here. We're going to extend that into Microsoft Azure, and we're going to treat it almost exactly the same as we treated that data center, from networking all the way up to the sort of application stack and everything else. And I was working on a project a couple of years ago now where they kept referring it to the third DC. So we got two on-prem DCs, or whatever you want to call it, and then Azure was going to be the third DC. And I'm thinking that's not really the way that you should be thinking about this, because if you take that sort of, I don't know whether this is a thing or not, but certainly in my head it is. If you refer to something as a data center, you're going to treat it like a data center. So you're going to go into that mindset with a legacy way of architecting and running that area. And we talked about this in the past, that people are now repatriating workloads back from the cloud because in effect they've treated it like a data center, and that's not the most cost effective or most efficient way of leveraging, in my opinion anyway, workloads in the cloud.
It's step one, right, Richard? And
Precisely.
the problem is everyone conveniently forgot all the rest of the steps.